Good day, Sir Jim. This is my presentation and I'm Geek One, and I'm about to share my reflection about spiritual self. Your spiritual self is you in your most beautiful and powerful form. It is the authentic self, the unconditioned part, the without patterns. This is personal for each of us. So no need to get caught up on the language. Your spiritual self is the quiet truth beneath all the noise. The part of you that isn't shaped by expectations, fears, and old stories. It's the version of you that already knows how to be whole when you pause long enough and to sense it. Even for a moment, you remember that who you truly are isn't something you need to build or earn. It's something you uncover gently by coming home to yourself. That's all.